So you can see here back of Apple Store. iPhone is right in here. Lovely pack. To take this out from here. Beautiful. Look at this box of iPhone 17 Pro Max. iPhone is right in here. White beautiful box. Here Apple logo. Lovely 3 camera module. iPhone here right in. Lovely. Wow. All the information here, the sticker and other things you write in. Very sleek box as always from Apple. So in this case, without any further ado, I'm gonna tear apart from the top. So here we go. I'm taking off from this side. Wow, lovely. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's take this box out. Slowly, here we go. Wow, beautiful color. Wow, magnificent. You can see one paper here covered the display. The body, magnificent. Magnificent color. I think is one of the best color for iPhone 17 Pro Max, because orange is ugly. This is blue version, doesn't have no physical SIM. This is the American version, eSIM only. So we'll go to the box. What we have inside here, the data cable, you can see, lovely prepared setup here. Then some Apple sticker here, some manual, nothing important. No more charger. For many years we don't have any charger. Okay, here we go, the phone guys. You can see, lovely, beautiful. Obviously, you know, we have 348 megapixel camera here, the sensor, flash. So without any further ado, I take this off. Wow, beautiful. Lovely skin is the same as iPhone 16 Pro Max. In this case, the size is similar. Lovely. We have dynamic island. Bottom, you can see here is speaker grills, 2 sides, and USB-C for charging. This button, you can see here, volume rocker, up, down, mute button, antenna line, and one new more antenna line here. This side you have power button, camera button, antenna line again. Beautiful body, very lovely. It's premium. I think only blue version of iPhone looks more premium than the other orange and silver, but is you have to be very careful because you can scratch any moment. You will have different problem. So without any further ado, I hit the power button. Here we go. Wow, beautiful Apple logo here. When you see Apple logo, you have to leave this immediately and we'll wait for different icon, different option. Perfect. Now we come to language option. So you have to decide language according to your country, place where you are. So in this case, I hit English. At the moment, I'm in Argentina, so it's detected Argentina directly. I hit this one. So here appearance, you can leave default, medium or large. Here I leave as a default. I hit continue button. Quick setup with another iPhone. Here we go. You see here, set up your iPhone. Hit continue, unlock to continue. Is done. And you see behind, you will see something. You have to scan that. Lovely, getting things ready. I put them side by side so I can show you properly. This is my account I want to set up for me. I hit here. I have to put here the passcode of another phone. In this case, every information, everything will go, your password, other things properly finish on iPhone. You see, scan QR code, mobile service. I don't have any mobile service. This one I put set up later. Software update, I don't want to do. I want to do later. Continue. Face ID, set up later. Okay, download from iCloud, transfer from phone. So I hit transfer from phone. Here I have to hit agree and continue. Continue button one more time. iMessage and FaceTime, not now, I don't want this one. Location service later, okay. Don't share. Apple Intelligence, I want to do that later. Camera setting, continue. Setup later. Siri, iPhone beta software program, don't continue beta program. Continue beta program. Okay, I hit continue with beta programs. Hit continue, emergency call and other things. Software update, update now, update later. iOS 26.2, 8.52 gigabytes. Update now because they don't give me any option. Okay guys, after starting couple of times, my phone has arrived to this screen. Slide to unlock. You have to put the passcode you just have applied or just have created. You see redirecting your phone, reconnecting with another one, preparing to transfer. It will transfer all the data from the older version. We're almost there. A minute remain in this case. Transfer completed. In this I hit done button. So iPhone 16 Pro Max gone by. iPhone 17 Pro Max is restarting, so we'll see. So my phone is ready. You see, hola. Now we'll slide to unlock this one. We have to put our passcode. Restore completed. I hit continue button. Face ID, I hit continue. Here I have to set up the Face ID in this case. They're telling me set up Face ID with mask. I hit set up later with mask here. Face ID asking me, hit continue. Is done. Apple account is setting up there. I have to put the password. After putting password of your Apple account, hit next button here. It will send some notification to some of your device. Let's see. Here to another device I get notification. I hit OK button. So I get notification in some other device in my Mac and have to put the code here. Without putting code, you can't activate. So here we go. Now it's setting up. We have to hit agree. Have to put phone passcode. All is done. Apple payment option, other things I will hit setup later. In this case, iPhone is ready. I hit continue button, continue button, continue button, continue button. I hit get started. It's done. Some of the application is downloading. So use location service sharing, not now. So my iPhone is ready to use. So the best part of transferring from your older iPhone, the best thing, whenever you go to any application, it will go directly to your account. To play a video 4K, for example 4K, here any 4K video, I put this one to see some ads. Yeah, beautiful skin. Skip this one. Wow, beautiful sound quality is magnificent in this is iPhone 17 Pro Max. Very high quality sound. Reduce the volume. See HDR, rotate everywhere. 4K video. Wow, beautiful, lovely. See how it is magnificent, crystal clean 4K vision in this case. Wow. If I open some other app, for example this one, trading 212, account is connected directly. I don't need to put any password. So this is the beauty of this one. So whenever you connect direct with your account, it detects all directly. So lovely, beautiful. So this is the way you can transfer all the data from your old iPhone to new one. You see all the apps are downloading I have, and use them without any problem and password. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.